Let's go guys! Matagal ko nang gustong itry itong anti-gravity noodles, no hands daw.
Wow!
It's our first time sa Anaheim Packing District. It's an upscale food court in a renovated historic 1919 citrus packing house. It's a fun and family-friendly place to eat and mingle. A wide variety of food and drink selections from about 30 small restaurants on 2 levels. Isa sa pinipilahang restaurant dito ay itong 206 BE. Syempre, curious ka, bakit nga ba ganyan siya? No hands, pero nakataas yung chopstick with noodles. Try din natin ang kanilang shrimp platter. This store is nicely decorated kaya everyone is taking a picture doon sa colorful lamps nila. So, let's try this one. Ito yung in-order natin. Ang kanilang anti-gravity noodles, no hands. Let's check paano nga ba yan nangyari. At husgahan na rin natin ang kanilang shrimp platter. Masarap nga ba yan? O baka naman mas masarap ang aking Cajun shrimp. Let's see. O eto na, pag-angat ko ng chopstick. Matigas. Sabi ko, paano mo yung kakainin to? Eto na, reveal. Tingnan natin. Gagawa ako ng sarili kong version at i-reveal ko sa inyo paano gawin yan. Abangan! I thought meron siyang sabaw.
Wala pa lang.
Ano expect mo may sabaw? Yeah. It's well seasoned at meron siyang kasamang mga shrimps at sausages. Tikman muna natin. In fairness, masarap siya. Husgahan naman natin ang kanilang shrimp platter. Okay ba? Meron tayong taga-balat. Masarap din siya at malasa. Pero syempre, mas masarap ang Cajun shrimp ko dyan.
Nothing like I've ever seen. It's just a thing of beauty.
After matang taste test natin, ayan, ubos lahat. Inside this food court, dahil Mother's Day, meron din silang mga real dried flowers na naka-arrange na. Syempre, bigay ito ni Habi. Again, abangan nyo ang version ko nito. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Thanks for watching!